friends. I'm Pepper the Pirate, and today we're going on an ocean adventure. Come with me. We're going to start today off with our friend Koji at the aquarium.
Hi, Pepper. I'm at the aquarium.
Welcome to the Aquarium of the Pacific in Long Beach, Southern California.
Pepper, stingrays.
Just like our little friend here, they're a type of fish. Just like a shark, they flap their body through the water, kind of like a wing, flying or swimming through the water. And their mouths face down, letting them stick their mouth into the sand below, while their eyes look high above. And of course, we can't forget about their spiky tail.
Pepper, the shark. Shark's out.
Did you know sharks are really good smellers? They can smell fish from a really long ways away in the ocean.
And I fixed it.
Did it?
That's right, Koji. Sharks have very rough skin. It feels like sandpaper when you touch them. And our shark friends have very sharp and pointy teeth, and lots of them. And sharks don't have bones like you and I. They have cartilage instead, like the stuff that your ears are made from.
Big seal.
Seals are so funny. They're commonly referred to as water dogs. They love the water and spend most of their time in the water. They're also very playful, just like dogs. Look at it chewing out its tail. Seals wear a thick, fatty coat called blubber to keep themselves warm in the cold ocean water, just like a thick blanket. And seals are a mammal, like a dog or you or me. That means that they breathe air. So when they go under the water, they can hold their breath for a very, very long time, much longer than a person.
Pepper.
Pufferfish are one of the most famously unique fishes in the sea. They have the ability to inflate like a balloon and get bigger to scare away their enemies. They also have spikes all over their entire body, so that when they blow up, their spikes stick out.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish are some very funny creatures. They don't have brains or hearts. They're very simple animals that can still swim and find food without them.
They have spikes on them, and they have stings. They sting you.
They sting me?
Yeah. Don't touch it.
I won't touch it.
Well, these crabs have hard shells and spikes. Bye, Koji and friends. Thank you for showing us all the amazing sea life at the aquarium.
Pepper, you and Koji did such a great job teaching us about all that sea life today. I'm so inspired. I just feel like singing a song now.
Well, that's so
That's
exciting. I want to sing a song
incredibly
too.
You do too, huh, Momo? Are you ready, Pepper?
Yes, I am.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Ocean friends, swish, 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 swish. Ocean friends, swish, 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 swish. Ocean friends, swish, 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 swish. Swim in the sea.
Sing stingray glide, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
Stingray glide,
Sing stingray glide, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
stingray glide.
Sing stingray glide, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
Swish, 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 swish. Shark swims by, dun, dun, dun. Shark swims by, dun, 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 dun. Shark swims by, dun, 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 dun. Swish, 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 swish.
See how her goes splash, flap, flap, flap.
Seal goes splash,
Flap, 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 flap.
seal goes splash,
Shrimp goes splash, flap, flap, flap.
swish, 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 swish. Crab walks side, click, click, click. Crab walks side, click, 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 click. Crab walks side, click, 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 click. Swish, 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 swish.
Jellyfish float, boop, boop, boop.
Jellyfish float,
Boop, boop, boop. Jellyfish float.
jellyfish float.
Boop, boop, boop. jellyfish float.
Swish, 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 swish.
Yay! I love singing with you, Momo.
Me too, Pepper. And you and Koji did such a great job teaching us about all the sea friends today.
Momo, what's that?
Well, that's my paper and crayons. I want to draw some of the sea life you showed us. Do you want to draw with me?
Oh boy, yes, let's draw it together.
Awesome. All right, let's do it. Let's draw some sea life together. Pull out your crayons and draw with me. Okay, how about we start with a stingray? You want to draw a big diamond shape for its body. And then the skinny triangle for its tail. Of course, you could give it some eyes. And then some snots. There it is. A fjord. Good job. Stingray. Next up, let's draw a jellyfish. We'll do a big half moon shape. Then a wiggly bottom. And then wiggly little tentacles. Jellyfish have a lot of them, unlike an octopus that have 8 tentacles. And then little spots. There we go. We have a jellyfish. What else do you draw? Let's see. Oh wow. Let's do a... How about we do a shark? Do one... Wow. Diamond shape. So this triangle here and a triangle here for its tail. And we have this for its fin for the classic shark look. And we have this here for its little arms to swim with. And then eyes. Big smile for this shark. And triangles for teeth. There you go. Got a shark. Next up, how about we do a pufferfish? We do one big circle. This is when it's puffed out. Do a shape like this for the tail. And the same shape but smaller in the little arms. And the portion that have eyes. And now. Okay, so here's the really fun part. Little triangles all over for its spikes. There we go. Pufferfish. Thank you for drawing with me.
Thanks for having me sing the Sea Life song with you today, Pepper. I have so much fun.
Of course, Jake. And Momo, I loved watching you draw those amazing ocean animals.
Thanks, Pepper. And it was so much fun to learn from Koji today as well. We make a great team.
That's right. Friends help friends learn and grow every single day.
Bye, friends.